Hi, let's learn Urdu. Urdu had got 39 or 40 alphabets. So we are not going to learn all of it today. We are only going to learn our first two, and in that is the same. We are going to talk about that. So if I explain, that is the first alphabet of Urdu called Alif. Alif, and it's the same as the letter A. The second alphabet is B, which is like B, and it's same as letter B. So this is Alif as a bit softer, and B as B little softer. Now we have got Alif and B. What can we do with them? Well, we write Alif and B, and that is Ab. Ab. Ab mean now. Here you go. You got your first word, Alif and B, Ab, and it's now. If you have Alif and B and Alif again, you got a Ba, which mean dad. Abba. And did you notice how I wrote the B? B. When it comes in the middle, the B change its shape. So Alif stay the same. When it comes in the middle or join with other letter, it's only turn slightly, and at the end, when it comes at the end, but B change its shape. That is when it comes first, that is when it comes second, and that is when it comes last. Alif, no, nobody comes to this side of Alif. If they do, you have to start again, like Alif, B, and Alif. So Abba. If you say B, Alif, B, Alif, so you got Ba, Ba, which mean dad also. So you got three words. Ab, now. Abba is dad. Baba is a dad or old man. There you go. I hope you like the lesson, and I see you in the next lesson when we're going to learn the next two alphabet. Thank you.